a stud or a more masculine woman?
No.
He said no. That's it.
They said yeah, for real.
Yo, for real, his daughter? Oh, shit. Not, which one? The oldest one?
Yes. Wow.
Wow. That shit is crazy. Which one is oldest one? Yeah, she's missing in Florida. She went to the store and they can't find. Oh, shit. The 13-year-old? Oh, shit. You know the government on this nigga, man.
He did a whole, I remember when I was in Babylon, he did
a
whole
Damn, son.
That shit crazy.
Are you serious, bro?
Yeah, he was talking about how the government be kidnapping women in D.C. and all that shit. You remember that? When he was talking about that? Like the D.C.
Why would he let her go to the store by herself?
Right, exactly.
My aunt? Oh, shit, bro. Hell nah, bro.
Definitely.
No, bro. That's why you never stay there in the States, bro. That's why I told Nana, like, stay off the fucking line, bro, before they get baby Eliana, man. Like, shit in the game out here, man. Damn, bro.
They dead ass too, like.
Fuck, bro. Let me get the iPad, bro.
Type shit.
Put
That's crazy.
Polight,
right. That shit crazy. That shit crazy.
Damn, yo.
Yeah.
Check his page. Hey, y'all got you got a phone? Damn, bro, that's fucked up, man. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on, let me check this. What's Brother Polight page, man? On IG. What's his page on IG, man? Oh, that's fucked up, bro. What's his IG page? I don't even know. Oh, brother_Polight.
Smart one, right? The little joint that be like smart shit.
I mean, it's short and concise. We got emergency situation. For those of you that be seeing me out here in Miami, always recognizing me, I need you to recognize my daughter. She's 13 years old. She last was seen on 10th Avenue going to Apple and Date. That's the last place she was seen. And we haven't heard nothing from her. Okay, it's been over an hour and a half.
Why you gotta go to the store by herself?
So I'm just asking anybody in the South Beach area in Miami, along Oakton Road, Collins Avenue, Lincoln Mall, anything within that proximity. If you've seen her, if you heard anything, she got on braids, she's a dark-skinned girl, you can go to you go to Manhattan 31 on her Instagram. Just contact me if you hear or you see anything. That's what we're looking for right now.
Fuck.
Short and concise, we got emergency situation. For those of you that be seeing me out here in Miami.
Anybody in Miami, man?
Recognize my daughter. She's 13 years old. She last was seen on Oakton Avenue going to Apple and Date. That's the last place she was seen. And we haven't heard nothing from her. Okay, it's been over an hour and a half. It's not like her. So I'm just asking anybody in the South Beach area in Miami, along Oakton Road, Collins Avenue, Lincoln Mall, anything within that proximity, If you've seen her, if you heard anything, she got on braids. She's a dark-skinned girl. You can go to you go to Manhattan 31 on her Instagram. Just contact me if you hear or you see anything from what we're looking for right now.
Damn. Y'all heard the message, man. Right. This is what she looked like. This is what she looked like. That's his daughter right there. That's what she looked like. If y'all see her. She's 13. Fuck, man. Oh, man. Man, I hope he finds his daughter. His IG is brother_Polight. Is that her around some weed plants? I hope that ain't no weed. I'm just playing. That's the braid she got on right there. So that's what she look like right now. It's not at I am brother Polight. What I seen was his brother_Polight. His brother_Polight. That's his page. I know it's not weed. At first I thought it was weed. I like.
Those of you that be seeing me out here in Miami, always recognizing me, I need you to recognize my daughter. Manhattan, she's 13 years old. She last was seen on Alton Avenue going to Apple a Day. That's the last place she was seen. And we haven't heard nothing from her. Okay, it's been over an hour and a half. It's not like her. So I'm just asking everybody, anybody in the South Beach area, in Miami, along Alton Road, Collins Avenue, Lincoln Mall, anything within that proximity. If you've seen her, if you heard anything, she got on braids. She's a dark-skinned girl. You can go to you go to Manhattan 31 on her Instagram.
This is her. Right here, Manhattan 31. That's her. Man, why you let her go to the store by herself? Fuck no, I'm not, man. Not nowhere. I'm not letting her go to this. I'm not letting her go to the store or nothing, bro. Man, that's crazy. That is fucking crazy, bro. Man, I hope her phone died or something, that she needed a charger or some shit like that. You know what I mean? Right. That's what I hope. I hope her fucking phone just died and she didn't have a charger, but she just got lost or some shit. Maybe she back at the house. I don't know. Here we go. Let me copy this shit. Oh shit. Okay. How you screenshot on this one?
Home and lock in it.
Y'all go to the page and put the Amber Alert up, yo. Y'all go to the page and put the Amber Alert up, bro.
You need everybody here to do it.
Tell everybody put the Amber Alert up. Here. Put it out. Tell everybody put it out. It's in there. Airdrop it to everybody. Huh? Yeah. Yo, put it on your page. Put it on your story. Hold on real quick, man. I'm gonna hit y'all right back. We about to put this on the stories. Hold on.